So welcome students. In this question, you're given that you have 4,500 notes. A person counts these notes at a rate of 150 notes per minute for the first 10 minutes. The first minute has counted 150, second minute has counted 150, so on. In the 10th minute has counted up to 150. And after that, the rate at which he counts decreases by 2 notes per minute. So if that is so, how much time is taken to count the total number of notes? So if you write the sequence of the number of notes counted each minute. So the sequence looks something like this. First minute 150, second minute again 150, third minute 150, so on. 10th minute 150. So up to the first 10 minutes. And after that, the rate at which he counts decreases by 2 as the minutes goes on. Now if he goes at this pace, how much time does it take to count all the 4,500 notes? So let us say that he takes n minutes. Now what I do is, I'll take out the first 9 minutes. See, 9 minutes. So this 4,500 should be equal to, so in these 9 minutes he has counted already 150 into 9. 150 into 9 notes have been counted. And after that, in the remaining n minus 9 minutes, the total number of notes he has counted is given by the sum of an AP. It is n minus 9 by 2, n by 2 into 2a, that is 300. The first term is 150. 300 plus n minus 1, that is number of terms minus 1. The number of terms is n minus 9. So n minus 1 becomes n minus 10 times the common difference is minus 2. So this should be the equation which needs to be satisfied. The total number of notes counted in n minutes should be equal to 4,500. So the total number of notes counted in n minutes is equal to the total number of notes counted in 9 minutes, first 9 minutes, plus the total number of notes counted in the remaining n minus 9 minutes. So this implies 4,500 minus 150 into 9 is 1350, right? 1350 is equal to n minus 9 by 2 times. So 300 plus 20, that is 320 minus 2n. So this 2 gets cancelled. So you get 160 minus n, right? So n minus 9 into 160 minus n is equal to 4,500 minus 1350. That is equal to 3,150. So 3,150 is equal to n minus 9 times 160 minus n. So that is equal to 160n. So if I multiply this, you get 160n plus 9n. 169n minus n square minus 9 times 160. That is minus 1440. So if you bring everything onto one side, you get a quadratic in n. This implies n square minus 169n plus 3150 plus 1440. You get 4590. 4590 is equal to 0. So now your n should be such that this equation is satisfied. So if you factorize this, you get n minus 34 times n minus 135 is equal to 0. This implies either n is equal to 34 or 135. So we know that if you have a decreasing GP corresponding to every sum, you have 2 values of n. So should we take the lower number or the highest number? So we have to take the lower number, because in 34 minutes, all the 4,500 notes will be counted. And if you go to 135, you get the negative terms, and effectively the sum again becomes 4,500. But we don't want that sum. So we want the first time when the sum reaches 4,500. So your answer is option B, 34 minutes. Thank you.